Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Education Academy ZA. On today's lesson, we'll be doing basic multiplication. So you have 3 times 2, which means you repeat 3 twice, right? So it's going to be 3, another 3, it's going to be 6, 3, 6. So 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Then 2, you repeat 2 twice, 2 and 2 gives you 4. 2 times 2 gives you 4. Right. You repeat 4 3 times. 4, 8, 12. So it's going to give you 12. 4 times 3 gives you 12. That one. Which means you repeat 4 3 times. Or you repeat 3 4 times. So it's going to give you 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. When you repeat 3 4 times, it gives you 12. Alright. And then we have 8 times 2. 8 times 2. You repeat 8 twice. 8 and then another 8 will give you 16. So it's gonna be 16. So you try this one. 10 times 2. So we'll do it together. 10, you repeat it twice. You have 10 on the left hand side and 10 on the right hand side. Then you have 10 and 10, which will give you 20. 10 and 10 will give you 20. So 10 times 2 is going to be 20 as your answer. So this is how you do basic multiplication. So let me have, but I still have 2 more examples to do. Giving you a chance to do it. So you're going to repeat 4 times. So let's count it. It's 4, 8, 12, 16, 16. 16 is our answer. Then we repeat 6 twice. Right, the multiples of 6, 6, 12. Then our answer is what? It's 12. Repeat 6 twice. Right. This is how you perform basic multiplication. Let's have all our answers. Let's see them. 3 times 2 gives us 6. And then 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 3 gives us 12. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 10 times 2 gives us 20. And then we have 4 times 4, which gives us 16. 6 times 2, which gives us 12. These are the basic multiplication. Please subscribe for more learning content and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to learn first. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe.